Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your morning market hit for Wednesday the 4th of March. What matters today for traders? Well, markets are clearly suffering from high levels of intraday volatility and that typical price behavior, buy on the rumor, sell on the fact. We saw that yesterday with the Fed announcement and the market rallying initially and then pulling back afterwards, closing lower on the session. But high levels of intraday volatility are consistent with lots of panic in prices, and panic provides opportunities. Indeed, when it's in the newspapers, it's in the price. Markets, of course, are forward-looking and they're discounting machines. And at times like this, market participants are quick to hedge and then ponder and consider. That's why we have such strong buy signals on many of our models, particularly those that measure fear and panic in markets. If you look at the steepness of the volatility curve, for example, with the VIX being a gauge of fear and of course greed, you'll see that it's generating its second strongest buy signal in this bull market. The chart we're showing you now shows 6-month forward less spot VIX. It's only been lower in 2011 during the depths of the euro crisis. Equally, if you look at the volatility curve using 6-month less 1 month forward, it's the third most extreme reading in the past couple of trading sessions. So the panic is in on the initial wave of selling. And as you can see from our third chart, when you map this sell-off against prior major sell-offs in this bull market, we're now in the zone where we find our initial low, whether that's in terms of trading days or amount of downside. Yes, it is possible we could go lower on that chart, but the majority of examples, we're below the lows of those initial sell-offs. So this is an opportunity, and we continue to expect that relief rally, that initial bounce over the course of the next week or so. So for 1 to 2 week traders, play the panic move the other way. For full details on how we're trading this, please see today's daily rag, available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today? Well, clearly price action is key and critical and needs to be watched closely. Over and above that though, key macro data includes ISM non-manufacturing later on today, ADP out of the States, a precursor to payrolls on Friday, and lots of service sector PMIs across the globe. Then in terms of key events, it's fairly light. We've got Broadbent and Bailey speaking from the Bank of England. The Fed also publishes the Beige Book later on today. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Wednesday the 4th of March. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Thank you for listening.